What's going on, everybody? It's your girl Chanel Stevens, and I'm back again with another video. And in this video, I'm gonna show you guys an AI agent that I just built that basically automates affiliate campaigns all from one offer. I'm gonna just jump right into the screen share, so I don't want to waste any time on this video. But as you can see, this is the AI agent that I built. All you have to do is fill out a simple form with an offer, the niche of that offer, and a specific traffic source. And these are all the traffic sources that I usually use for each of my affiliate offers. And once you do that, it runs through this entire process and spits you out a campaign dashboard at the end. This is what the campaign dashboard looks like. You can see it has the traffic source here, it has the funnel type here, it has all the 3 different landers, and even an ad copy report. It gives you access to all the different ads. So let's just show you an example of the quiz landing page. So you can see it has all the different questions here, and then once you finish with the quiz, it does a redirect to the actual affiliate offer. I didn't really connect it to an affiliate offer, so you're not going to see it on this example page, but all you have to do is just connect your affiliate link and it'll go straight to the affiliate offer. And you can see the ad copy report right here, where it comes with all the different traffic sources: Facebook, TikTok, Google search, Taboola, and it has all the different type of angles. Because you guys know, if you're familiar with my testing video, I test with 3 different angles in the initial test, which is a pain angle, curiosity, and a direct benefit. So I'm gonna just run through the AI agent so you guys understand exactly how this works and how I put this together so you can do this for yourself. I am using no code tools, so this was built using n8n. And if you're not familiar with n8n, just go to n8n.io, I believe is the site, and create your n8n account and start getting familiar, because AI agents are the future no matter what industry you're in. So like I said, I set up a simple form. So this is just a form submission node. So I can just open this up, and as you can see, form submission. And I just gave it a simple form description, drop in an offer you're thinking about, let it run, and you can see all the different questions. So if I wanted to add any more field options, I could add in things like certain EPC, just more information about the actual offer, such as restrictions, things like that. And then from there, it would give that information into my offer research, which is a offer research AI agent, which runs it through Claude research. Now for Claude research, I am using Claude Sonnet 5, but you can use all the different other models that Claude has to offer. And I connected this using my Claude API. Also, after the research done, depending on the type of offer it is, I do run different type of funnels depending on the type of offer, traffic source, things like that. So it picks lander types. After that is basically just a code node, and with this node is basically just running through what type of lander is best for this specific type of offer. So it's going to choose whether it's advertorial is best for this offer, whether quiz style or direct landing page is best for this style of offer. And as you can see, this is the JavaScript for that, and then it comes with a structure note. So this is just all the code to basically develop a structure note and come up with the landing page, and then it runs it straight into Claude again. So you can see a pain page, a curiosity page, and a direct benefit page. And you can just see I'm using Claude Sonnet 5 for that as well. You can up the models, generate probably even better pages with these better models, but Sonnet 5 is kind of one of the cheapest models to use when it comes to the API. So I'm just running it through that as of now. From there, once it creates the page, it's creating a file through a GitHub node. And with this GitHub node, what it's basically doing is it's hosting a page on GitHub, because GitHub has a free plan where through a public repo, you're able to host pages, basically like HTML pages, for free. So I'm just running it through GitHub to just host the actual files and create a visual of the actual pages. So from each page type, we have a visual of all 3 of those pages. So I also have a merge pages node, and this is just a merge node. And it's basically just combining all 3 of those links from GitHub into one. And then I grab those actual links through a code node, and those links are then sent to the ad copy report. This AI agent basically is the AI agent node, and it's basically just building 3 different ad angles from those 3 different landing pages. So it's seeing the different angles on each of the pages, and they're building the ad copy from those actual pages for each traffic source that I have listed in the form that you saw. Let me pull up the form once again so you can see all different traffic sources. So Facebook, Google search, TikTok, and native. And I'm using Taboola, Outbrain, Ray of Content, MGID, other ones that I test on also. but you can just use those same files for that also. So yeah, once we have the actual ad copy report done, I'm just creating a new file, which is basically just hosting the ad copy report onto my GitHub, because I need a visual of that actual ad copy report. And like I said, GitHub allows me to publish HTML pages for free on there. So that's kind of why I'm using that at the moment. And then from there, I'm creating a dashboard file through GitHub as well. So I'm hosting dashboard script. So it creates a dashboard from all those different links. And this is exactly what it looks like right here. So this is kind of what I went through in the beginning, where it's just saying credit builder as the offer, because I typed in credit builder and it was a credit repair type offer. And I told it I'm going to run it through Google search, and it chose quiz funnel through the logic that I gave it on what's the best type of funnels for specific type of offers, and Claude pretty much decides which lander would be best for which traffic source. So all this is pretty much automated, and then you can just see the landing pages here. So this is the pain point lander, tired of seeing denied every time you apply for something. And this is the curiosity lander. There's a quiet reason some people fix their credit fast and most never hear about it. So generates curiosity. In a direct benefit lander, see what your credit could look like in 30 days. So it's 580 to 650 potential. So it looks good. They actually all look good. We can just start my free check. What are you, it comes up with all the quiz questions too. What are you hoping better credit helps you do? Qualify for a better car loan. How would you describe your credit right now? Below 580. Feel stuck. Have you tried fixing your credit rapport? Tried disputes myself. Got confused. How soon do you want to see results reported? As fast as possible. No rush. Just want it moving. Whatever they select is going to analyze and create a redirect and then send them over to the offer. So all you have to do is just connect your offer link, and they'll go right to the actual offer. And then, you know, if you fill out the actual offer, you get paid from your actual CPA network. So this is pretty much all automated. I even want to show you guys the ad copy report. So say you were doing Facebook ads, you'll have all the different hooks that you can use for your Facebook ads here, and you'll have full ad variations with the PAS format. And you can see problem, agitate, solution right here, call to actions, and they give you ads for every single angle. Google search, they give you 15 different headlines that you can use, different descriptions, so you can just literally have everything built out to test for your full campaign, all using this AI agent. So here's the native part where they give you 10 editorial curiosity driven headlines. So you see all the headlines right here, and all you really have to do is come up with images. And in my last video, I showed you guys how to come up with add images through my Claude and Higgsfield connection, and I have the prompt also available on that video, so go check out my last video also on Claude and Higgsfield used together to generate add images and things like that. But this is where you can actually come up with your actual copy in an automated way as well, by just literally filling out a simple form. I'll even be updating the form to include things like offer restrictions, because sometimes offers do have restrictions and things like that, so you will want to input that so it doesn't include anything that shouldn't be in the copy, or just basically anything restricted from the campaign won't be generated through the actual AI agent. But you can see these are high quality quizzes, and this is just a quiz type, and we can even just run through it one more time so you guys can just see it fully in action. So let's just do another type of offer right here. So execute workflow, and let's just do a different type of offer. So we're going to say truth finder, and then we'll say the niche is background check. This is another popular offer that's usually ran through like native, things like that. So let's just submit that. And after we submit that, you can see it just starts running through it. So right now we're going through the offer research portion where it's running it through Claude, and Claude's just pulling research on background check type offers. And then from there, it's going to pick the lander type. So we'll see all that in a second. So that is checked off green. It went through and picked the lander type. And then from there, now it's building out the specific pages depending on what type of lander Claude decided it should actually use. And then it's going to build all 3 pages. So we'll just wait on all those to check off and merge together. So these take about a minute. We're still waiting on the benefit page, but these take about a minute because they're generating full HTML pages. They have to build out through Claude. So this is probably the longest running section of the actual AI agent. Long gone are the days of just building out full pages. You don't really have to do that anymore thanks to AI. So building out full campaigns do not have to take longer than a week anymore. You can literally just do things like run an AI agent to build out your full campaign. You can literally generate all your ad images and stuff like that using Claude and Hicksfield like you saw in my last video. So you don't have to take years to test out these different campaigns, because that used to be the thing. People would think that testing out campaigns need to take a long time, and they just don't. So as you can see, it just finished creating the benefit page. It created all three of those files, and then they merged those files, grabbed the links, and now we're generating the actual ad copy right here for all the different traffic sources. So that's what it's doing right there. And once it's done with that, it's going to create a dashboard with all those different links from the different landing pages and the ad copy report. And you can see that just finished there, and the dashboard is finished. Workflow executed successfully. All right, so now that that's complete, I just come here and just grab this campaign dashboard link right here and just paste that there. And as you can see, boom, we have a whole nother campaign for True Finder offer. I chose native traffic, so you can see that there. The funnel that it chose for this specific offer is advertorial style pages for native ads. And let's just check out the lander. So this is the advertorials that it came up with. So they look all right. I would most likely edit those just a little bit, but you actually have a base, you have some copy pulled up. So all you really need to do is come in here, maybe add some images, add maybe a logo, things like that, and just edit it out just a little bit more. But you have all the copy for advertorial style pages. You have a button click right there. I'll probably just add another button above the fold, because I just believe all pages need buttons above the fold. That's just one of my requirements for the pages that I built. And I can also build that into the actual logic, but you have like a full base build out for a True Finder campaign. So you have all three landers, then you have an actual ad copy report right here where it gives you headlines for each angle, just like the last one for the credit repair offer. So you can see primary channel is native, so that pops up first for this one. And you can just see she searched her boyfriend's name before their third date. She wasn't ready for this. What showed up when I looked up my own name shocked me. So you can see all the different style hooks for your native ads right here, and these are pretty good to test. So you can see in this video alone, I've generated 2 different campaigns, 6 different landing pages, all like under 20 minutes. So that's literally the speed of how fast you can start testing out these different affiliate offers and making money. This used to take weeks for people to do, to build out pages, to come up with different angles, to come up with all the different headlines and copy and things like that. And now literally AI can do this for you all through agent. So if you don't have it already, like I said, start working with n8n and you can build this out for yourself. Or if you just want a shortcut, the link below to this actual AI agent will be down below. So all you have to do is get this AI agent from the link below, and then you just paste it into your account, and then you can just execute this workflow like you saw me do on this actual video by literally just filling out the simple offer, the niche, and your traffic source. I might even be updating this, so you might see new fields to input even more information on here. But right now, it's just these 3 simple questions, and it can generate you full campaign build outs. And like I said, it automated through n8n. So yeah, and you can just connect your Claude account. So it's pulling from your Claude, your API, and you can test out different models. Like I said, I'm building the pages from Sonnet 5, but you can test it using Opus, Fable. I think Fable makes even better pages. Just keep in mind that it might cost you more in API costs because you are using higher end models, but you can also use like lower end models here if you want to save. But like I said, full campaign build out in minutes, guys. This thing is powerful. The link below will be to this, and this is what I've been using to just generate ideas for my campaigns. I've been generating all the images and stuff through my Claude and Hicksfield connections like you saw in my last video. So guys, take advantage of this stuff. Start running these offers. Start testing out CPA marketing campaigns for yourself, start making money using AI. This is just, I feel, the easiest and the best way to do it. You don't have to sit here and build out and know everything about web design anymore. Literally, AI can do everything for yourself. So this is literally all you have to do to basically see success for yourself. So I'm basically just building out these tools to make affiliate marketing easier for everybody out there. If you do want to work one-on-one with me, offering my accelerator program right now. If you do want to work like one-on-one with me as you build out these campaigns, test it, we look at data together, things like that. I help you come up with your offer, things like that. And I show you personally like how I'm using these AI tools to basically supercharge my business. The link below to my accelerator will be below also. So check those out, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.